Imagine waking up to an extra $1,000 in your account every month, all thanks to AI. Doesn't that sound like a dream come true?
In 2024, that dream is more achievable than ever. With the right AI tools and strategies, you can start earning, no matter your experience level. Stick around because we're about to show you how. Hi, I'm Tony, your go-to guide for turning technology into income streams. And I'm Monica, here to help you unlock the potential of AI in your everyday life and business. In this video, we'll break down 7 AI-powered side hustles you can start today, each with the potential to earn $1,000 or more a month. And, as a bonus, we're sharing one hustle at the end that's already making waves in the AI community.
Whether you're a freelancer, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a new income stream, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. Our first hustle is a classic but with an AI twist: content creation. Companies, blogs, and influencers all need fresh, engaging content regularly, and AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI make it faster than ever.
Here's how it works. You use AI to help you brainstorm, outline, and even draft content. Add your personal touch to polish it, and you're good to go.
Here's a step-by-step guide.
Identify a niche. Pick topics you're comfortable with, like fitness, tech, or personal finance. Use AI tools. Ask ChatGPT to generate outlines or create drafts. Use Grammarly to refine your writing. Market your skills. Offer services on platforms like Fiverr or LinkedIn. Highlight that you use AI to deliver faster results. Example: writing a single 1,500-word blog post could pay $50 to $100. Deliver 10 to 20 posts per month, and you're looking at $1,000 to $2,000.
And here's a pro tip: offer SEO-optimized content or long-form articles to boost your rates.
Plus, tools like Surfer SEO can help you ensure your work ranks on Google, adding even more value for your clients.
Do you think AI can write better than humans? Tell us in the comments, we'd love to hear your thoughts.
Our next hustle is AI graphic design.
Design is another huge opportunity, even if you've never touched Photoshop. Tools like Canva Pro and DALL-E allow you to create professional graphics in minutes.
From social media templates to logos and marketing assets, businesses are always looking for visual content to boost their brand. Step-by-step guide. Use Canva Pro to customize pre-made templates. Explore DALL-E or Midjourney to create unique, AI-generated artwork. Offer packages, branding kits, social media graphics, or custom illustrations. Example: charge $50 to $100 per branding kit. With 10 clients in a month, you can easily hit $1,000.
Here's the fun part: you don't need to stop at one-time projects. Set up a store on Etsy or Gumroad to sell pre-designed templates.
And once you upload them, it becomes passive income. You're selling the same templates over and over.
Not a designer? No worries. Our next hustle is perfect for anyone who loves problem solving.
AI automation consultant.
Automation is where AI truly shines. Businesses spend hours on repetitive tasks, and tools like Zapier, Make, and even ChatGPT can automate them.
Think about syncing data, automating emails, or even creating workflows that save businesses dozens of hours a month.
Step-by-step guide. Learn the basics of automation tools through free online tutorials. Offer small businesses a time-saving audit, analyze their processes, and suggest automations. Charge per project or a monthly retainer for ongoing support. Example: automating a local salon's appointment booking system might earn you $300. Do this for 3 clients, and you've hit $1,000. And don't forget, as you gain experience, you can scale to more complex automations, like CRM integrations or chatbot setups.
What's one task you wish AI could automate for you? Let us know in the comments.
Now, if automation sounds too technical, our next side hustle is all about creativity.
AI video editing.
Video content is exploding, and AI tools like Descript and Pictory make video editing faster and easier than ever.
Whether it's adding subtitles, cleaning up audio, or creating promotional videos, there's a huge demand for video editors right now. Step-by-step guide. Use Descript to clean up audio and add captions. Use Pictory to turn blog posts or articles into video content. Market your services on platforms like Upwork or pitch to local businesses. Example: editing short TikTok videos for $50 each. With 20 videos a month, you're at $1,000.
And once you master these tools, you can even offer premium services like animations or YouTube channel management.
Who's your favorite YouTuber? Imagine being the editor behind their videos. Comment below.
AI digital products. Creating and selling digital products is a great way to earn passive income. AI makes it ridiculously easy to create items like ebooks, planners, or even online courses.
Tools like Midjourney and Canva can help you design unique, sellable products in no time.
Step-by-step guide. Use Canva to create a digital product, like a budget planner. List it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Market on Pinterest or Instagram to attract buyers. Example: selling a planner for $20 and reaching 50 customers equals $1,000 in a month. And here's the magic: once you create the product, it continues to sell without any extra effort.
Speaking of teaching, let's move to our next hustle: tutoring with AI. AI tutoring/education.
Teaching is easier than ever with AI tools like Teachable and ChatGPT. You can tutor live or create pre-recorded courses.
For example, you could teach beginners how to use AI tools, or help small businesses adopt AI in their workflows. Step-by-step guide. Pick a topic you know well. Use Loom or Zoom to create video lessons. Host your courses on platforms like Skillshare or Teachable. Example: charge $50 per live session. Host 20 sessions, and you've earned $1,000.
And don't forget, pre-recorded courses can bring in passive income over time.
AI-powered social media management.
AI-powered social media management. Social media is a non-negotiable for businesses, and many are willing to pay big bucks to keep their online presence thriving.
With tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and AI assistants like ChatGPT and Lately.ai, you can manage multiple clients' social media accounts without breaking a sweat.
Step-by-step guide. Learn the basics, understand how platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn work. Focus on content creation and engagement strategies. Create a portfolio, use AI tools to generate sample posts, captions, and content calendars for fake or personal brands. Offer your services. Start small by pitching to local businesses, solo entrepreneurs, or startups. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for additional exposure. Use AI tools to save time. ChatGPT, generate captions, hashtags, and post ideas. Lately.ai, repurpose long-form content, like blogs or podcasts, into bite-sized social media posts. Canva Pro, design eye-catching posts with professional templates. Earnings example: managing one client's account could earn you $300 to $500 per month. Land 3 to 4 clients, and you're well over $1,000.
What's great about this hustle is its scalability. Once you master the basics, you can start offering analytics reports, ad management, or even influencer collaborations for higher rates.
And with AI tools handling repetitive tasks, you'll have more time to focus on growing your client base or even starting your own social media agency.
What's your favorite social media platform? Tell us in the comments. Maybe we'll create AI strategies just for that platform in a future video.
And that wraps up our list of AI side hustles for 2024. Ready to take action?
Hit the like button and subscribe because we're here to help you every step of the way.
So, we've covered content creation, graphic design, automation, video editing, digital products, tutoring, and affiliate marketing.
Start small, pick one side hustle, and grow from there. Consistency is key. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more ways to grow with